The ultimate in compact luxury motorhomes is here. Introducing the all-new Entegra Coach Esteem. Until now, Entegra Coach has only manufactured high-line luxury diesel pusher motor coaches with price tags that could easily exceed $750,000. Now, for the first time ever, you and your family can enjoy the exceptional craftsmanship, premier drive, and even Entegra Coach's industry-leading 2-year limited and 5-year structural transferable warranties in an easy-to-drive, budget-friendly motorhome. Just a few of the available options that can be found in this amazing new luxury class CRV includes beautiful full-body paint exteriors, an extra-large 4-door refrigerator, and, unheard of in the industry, 2 roof AC units. Entegra Coach prides itself as having the quietest riding, best handling coach on the market today, period. And the all-new Entegra Coach Esteem follows in those very same footsteps. The Entegra is the only Class C on the market today to minimize road fatigue through construction and materials. The exclusive E-Ride LX handling package found in the Esteem boasts a computer-balanced drive shaft, an oversized stabilizing bar, Bilstein shocks, rubber isolation mounts, and Hellwig L35 helper springs for incomparable drivability. You will also enjoy having a 7,500-pound hitch. Additional construction highlights include a full aluminum front cab over cage for superior strength and coach integrity, a one-piece seamless molded fiberglass front cap with fiberglass wings, an automotive and bonded panoramic front window with power blackout interior shade, extra-large fiberglass running boards, and tough shell vacuum bonded lamination process in sidewalls, roof, and floor. Electro-galvanized steel backers are utilized within the walls as anchor points for superior structural integrity. Structure wood decking is utilized in the floors to eliminate creaking. The R7 high-density bead foam insulation will keep the Entegra far better insulated and quieter inside as well. A one-piece fiberglass roof is another highly valuable standout feature found in the Entegra Esteem, as well as the frameless and tinted windows and beautiful high-polished stainless exterior trim package. The Esteem standard interior features list is nothing short of extraordinary, including electric entrance steps with a lighted stepwell, a full cab over bunk with an incredible 750-pound rating, and an automotive-designed ABS molded front sleeper compartment with integrated cup holders and cab over entertainment center, energy-efficient LED ceiling lights, a dream dinette, frame-mounted seat belts, residential full vinyl flooring with all ducts installed in the toe kicks, windows equipped with roller shades, fully ducted and even airflow throughout the coach, and an energy management system. You will also find a master bedroom TV and a pillow-top mattress. In the kitchen, you will find stainless steel appliances, solid hardwood cabinet doors with hidden hinges, full extension drawer guides, solid surface kitchen counter and slide-out counter extension in select floor plans, as well as solid surface sink covers. In the cab, you will find a Sony infotainment system that is Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatible, a power driver's seat, and an automatic one-touch leveling system. Just a few of the standard exterior features include total in-house water filtration system, a 1,000-watt inverter, chrome exterior mirrors with integrated side view cameras. Other unique features include thick insulated compartment doors, an exterior entertainment center, an Onan micro-quiet generator, a slide-out battery tray, one-piece rotocast baggage compartments, heated pads for holding tanks, and a power awning with LED light strip. The Entegra Coach Esteem is now available in 3 amazing new floor plans, sure to fit most any RV lifestyle. Check them all out at mhsrv.com and get unbelievably low sale prices that can only be found at the #1 volume selling Entegra Coach dealer in the world, Motorhome Specialist. Why pay more? Why settle for less?
Motorhome Specialist is not only the #1 volume-selling motorhome dealership in the world, but also the #1 Entegra Coach dealership, and has been since the very beginning. Since 2004 and its earlier days as Travel Supreme, through 2010 and all of the following Jayco years, right through to the current Thor Industries acquisition, Motorhome Specialist has led the way for Entegra Coach's incredible rise in popularity. No one knows these coaches better, and no one provides a better selection, all with upfront and everyday low sale prices. Motorhome Specialist offers unparalleled prep, make-ready, and inspection processes. Our premier delivery facilities affords the very best in coach orientation, as well as the all-important after-the-sale service. From our more than 200-point checklist and inspection process that far exceeds the industry norm, you'll find a huge difference at Motorhome Specialist. We provide Spartan-certified technicians in-house. We also have Entegra Coach certified technicians, including 2 that are exclusively dedicated to Entegra Coach owners only. When purchasing your coach from MHSRV, you will also take great comfort in knowing your new Entegra passed the only dealer-performed high-pressure wash and rain booth test available in the industry today. These additional detail and inspection processes are just a few of the countless steps taken here at Motorhome Specialist to help ensure that you not only receive a better selection and price, but also experience the quality and service that you deserve to go along with it. Having sold over $2 billion in motorhomes, including well over $250 million of Entegra coaches alone, we know that your recreational journey truly starts with your dealership. And that journey needs to be about much more than just a salesman asking what he needs to do to earn your business today, but rather about having a true family of motorhome specialists, including dedicated finance officers, a courteous and professional service staff, and of course, knowledgeable and low-pressure sales representatives, all working together as a team to do what it takes to earn your business for a lifetime. So if you're in the market for a new Entegra coach from Thor Industries, please give the family at Motorhome Specialist a call at 1-800-335-6054 or visit mhsrv.com today and get busy living in your beautiful new motorhome from Motorhome Specialist. Why pay more? Why settle for less?